Hello, so I just got back from going to the dentist for the first time in like 5 years, and I found out I'm gonna need another root canal, yay! But I have no cavities, so that's nice. Oh, yeah, I've already gotten two root canals like 6 years ago when I face planted on a fucking frozen lake, and this tooth chipped off, this one cracked, and now this one is apparently also gonna have to get a root canal. So excited for that. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed about that, but I'm also kind of grateful that I finally went to the dentist and got this done, got it checked out and everything. But yeah, now we're just gonna have to deal with that. But anyway, now I'm home and I would like to fix up my hair for the spooky season, for the Halloweens. The roots have grown out and it's faded like quite a bit. I do like this peachy color though, but yeah. Okay, yeah, so as usual, I'm gonna bleach my roots first, and I'm not gonna record this part because I don't feel like it. And it's not that exciting. But anyway, yeah, so here's what it looks like right now. Yeah, and then I'm gonna dye my hair after that. So I'll be back when I have bleached my roots and the hair is a little bit lighter and we are ready to dye my hair. Not like the other D word. Anyway. Hi. Okay, so I bleached my roots and lightened the hair a little bit. You could tell it's pretty much the same little peachy orange color, but it's lighter up here. I didn't really necessarily have to do that, but I kind of just got into the habit of doing that anyway, just so that it's easier to start with a blank canvas next time. But anyway, yeah, here's what it looks like before I start dyeing it. Yeah, honestly, I do really like this faded color also, but I want to do this before Halloween, so here we are. So I have two red dyes, and I think I'm gonna mix them a little bit and see how it comes out. But one of them is the Manic Panic Rock and Roll Red, which I have used before on my channel, and the other one is the Neon Red by IroIro. And I'm just gonna mix a little bit of the neon into this because I actually don't have a lot of this color left. I probably have enough to do this, but yeah, I just want to basically put a couple of drops of that in there to see if it makes it glow, because as you know, if you've been on my channel, I love UV, I love blacklight, I love when my hair glows, and I love painting with blacklight paint. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do that real quick and then get started. Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Alright, we're done. I used up like most of the jar. There's a tiny bit left. I might just slap it on. Maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. But yeah, this looks super bright. I'm super excited, and I know I've done red before like a couple times, but I really like red. You know, purple's my favorite. I've said this before many times, but red is like a close second in terms of like colors I really like dyeing my hair to. Because like in general, red is, I wouldn't say red is like a color I wear very often, but I definitely like having red hair. Yeah, alright, now we wait. And, oh, excuse me, let it sit. I'm just getting hair dye all over my freaking face right now. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit, and I will be back when it is washed out and dry and styled. And yeah, I am excited to see how it looks, and stick around to see the final look. Hi, I'm back. Here's how the color turned out. It's super vibrant. I really like it, and I do think mixing up a little bit of this made it a little bit more, I don't know, like pink toned or like brighter, I guess. But I am still waiting for it to get dark to see how it glows, if it glows at all under blacklight, because it is still light out. But yeah, so far I freaking love it. I just need to touch up my brown now and dye that black again, because that's all faded also. I mean, it's not bad. Like I like the brown, but I like the black more. So, but yeah, here it is. So I kind of did this because I wanted red again, and kind of because for Halloween, so I've never actually dressed up as a vampire, and so I thought that might be fun. So I'm kind of doing this for Halloween also, even though I don't even know like what my plans are. I know there's gonna be something going on, but I don't know what yet. But anyway, yeah, I'm red because I wanted to be a vampire and I like red. And yeah, here we are. Okay, yeah. Let me get up close here and show you. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I will be back when it's darker to show you how it looks under a black light, and then finish off this video. And by the way, we are still moving, so I know this looks like we haven't done any moving. That's because I haven't packed up this room yet, but the living room is pretty freaking packed up. I am gonna be recording clips as we're moving out for the move out vlog and everything. But yeah, the living room looks quite different now. There's a bunch of boxes. The walls look emptier. I was waiting basically to record this video before I packed up this whole room, so it's about to be chaos in here. And yeah, I do have plans for a video for next week, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it because I don't know how moved in and set up will be. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, so it is dark out, so let's turn on the black light and see how this looks. Oh yeah, oh that glows. Wowee. That's cool. That definitely glows. That's really cool. Oh my gosh. IroIro, whatever the name is, always freaking impresses me with their neon dyes. Always. Like, this was just a little bit mixed in with the other red. Oh man, that's so, I feel like I can even see like a little more orange on the bottom. So cool. Yeah, so that was really cool. I'm glad it glows. I'm really happy with this. This isn't really new because I've done this before on my channel, but I wanted to do it again, so yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a like. Comment below if you have any questions or comments, or if you just want to help support my channel, that does help. And yeah, if you aren't subscribed yet, check out my other videos. I have other hair dye videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and I'm an artist, so I craft and stuff. So yeah, I do a little bit of everything. My ADHD kind of helps with that. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope you have an awesome day or night, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.